Hi, in this video I will show you how to restore recently removed content on the Instagram. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Instagram mobile application and from the right bottom click on your profile. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the three lines on the right top, and after that go to the settings from the bottom, and after that you have to look for the account, tap on it, and after that scroll up and you will see recently delete option here, and here you will see all the posts you have deleted in past on Instagram. Tap on it and tap on the any post you want to recover and click on these three dot icon and click on the restore to get it back. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.